All right, guys, so if you're interested in subscribing to Kalodata, so in this video I'm going to be offering you a big discount code, which of course you can apply when you are trying to sign up on Kalodata, or when you are trying to do a checkout on any plan you're trying to purchase on Kalodata. So this discount code is going to give you access to up to 20% depending on the package or pricing plan you actually want to get on Kalodata. So there are 3 different package on Kalodata. So I'm running a professional account, as you can see right here. So I'm running a professional account, and here you can see there is starter plan, there is starter plan for month, professional, and then there is enterprise. As you can see right here, I'm running a professional account, which of course cost $100, and if you go for the yearly, you're gonna be paying this amount. But then if you use my discount code in the description, so you're gonna get 20% off, just like I said, as a discount code for Kalodata. So I'll be offering more discount code on different platforms, which of course you might be very much interested in. So I'll advise you to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to see more video from me, and also like this video so that YouTube can also recommend it for other people who of course might be interested in this, right? So let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and if you have any other question regarding Kalodata, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to answer your question. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.